Hello, everyone. How are you today? This is my short story about how to celebrating my birthday. Let's take a listen. I love celebrating my birthday, and I usually like to plan something interesting that make my day be a special day. I start with spending my time with my family. We enjoy breakfast together, or we enjoy relax together, or watching TV together. Later in the day, I meet with my friends and go out for lunch or dinner or any interesting activities. But we usually eat at my favorite restaurant or try a new place that we have been curious about. If the weather is good, I enjoy spending my day outside, like having a picnic in the park, or visiting an interesting spot in the city, or go to swim at the swimming pool, or even go to an interesting mountain. With my birthday, interesting activities help me reflect on the past year, and then look forward to the year ahead. So I try to make my life cheerful and meaning day. I hope in this year I can spend my time with more useful activities and it mean to me and to all my family, friends, and colleagues. That is my short story about my birthday activities. Thanks for watching.